Good morning and happy Easter. It is like 6:30 in the morning, I believe. Yeah. I got myself ready, hair and makeup, that's all done. That's one less thing I have to worry about later. And then I have all the baskets going. Matthew's basket as well as the niece's basket. I'll get Matthew up at 7. We will like hang out, play, and then I gotta make the sangria. I have to finish setting up a little bit more for Easter, but I'm so excited to host this year, so it'll be lots of fun. And I'll kind of keep filming throughout the day so you guys can see how I organized everything and planned everything for Easter. I had a lot of fun doing it. It's exhausting, but I had a lot of fun doing it. So I hope everyone has a great Easter, and I hope you like this video.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you.
Hey, happy Easter. Hey, hi baby. Hi. Hi baby. Is the Easter bunny here? He is here. How did you sleep, honey? Look at your little cute PJs. You gotta get up. You gotta get up. Come on, baby. You wanna get up? Hey. Hey, the Easter bunny's here. Come on. Come here. Come here, my little baby. What are they, all carrots? Yeah. Follow the carrots. Remington. Go ahead, baby. Yeah. Go ahead, follow the carrots. What is that, baby? Remington got his toy. Good job. Remington, that's for you. What's that, baby?
Hi there. I'm the numbers and colors.
Oh, is that your piggy bank? Do you like that?
Please insert a coin.
Put a coin in there. Here you go. Put it in.
Good job, baby.
Here.
Push it in. Ah.
That was the orange coin. I must see. Please insert another coin.
Open up. Do you like it?
You get your name on it.
That says Matthew, huh?
Come on, let's play.
The little eggies. Oh, you like it?
Tell me you're more than just
You like
a
yours, Rem?
highlight.
You like yours, huh?
Pictures
Little
on
bunny
the
rabbit.
outside.
You like it?
I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
Matthew.
I wanna know
He's in peekaboo.
wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real love from within. I want.
All right, so it's about 7:20 in the morning right now. Matthew's hanging out watching Frozen. I am starting to make the sangria. So the sangria is called strawberry lemonade sangria, and it calls for a cup of strawberries, 2 lemons, thinly sliced, 1 apple. So I'm gonna put all of this in this pitcher that I got from Target, and I'm going to use this wine. And then I'm gonna try to double the recipe so I have a lot. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to fit in here, but I am so excited to drink this. And then I'm gonna cut up some fruit and leave it on the side if people wanna add more fruit to their glasses. Yeah, hey, hey, hi. All right, so now I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for like 5 hours. It looks so good. Can't wait to try it. All right, so let's talk details. A lot of this stuff was from Home Goods. The floral arrangement, which is fake. The plates, the pink large one and the gold smaller one are all from Home Goods. These napkin holders are from Amazon, as well as the pink napkins. This like plastic gold silverware is also from Amazon. The table runner, which is so cute with the bunnies, it's from Home Goods, as well as the little eggs. And then the candles are Bath and Body Works, of course. The champagne toast is life.
Hold up. Crickets are the worst. Is that lawn treatment? Just little crickets.
Look at this little fly, little fleas. When you walk through the grass all the time.
Higher or lower?
When, like when we were doing like wedding
Good job.
stuff, I'm like, Elise.
Higher or lower?
Higher. I was just
All
private.
right, higher or lower? Okay. Higher or lower?
High.
Higher.
Oh shit. Your card's in under a 7.
Oh God, you gotta go
How long
back
does she have to drink?
She has to complete the entire thing.
How many did you? What?
Both of them or just
Just the top one. Higher or lower? Higher or lower?
Now what you have to think about.
Are you ready for your Easter egg hunt, Maddie?
Yeah, this is the egg that we found.
I found that one. Yep. Are you ready?
Ready? Go. Go, go, go. You gotta bring your basket. Bring your basket.
Maddie saw the egg I saw.
Leisha, did you help her? Go, girlfriend, go. Put them all in your basket and then you can open them up when you're all done.
Get him, Maddie. Get him.
Oh, another one. All right, put them all in your basket. Remy's gonna help you.
Maddie, I see one.
Dad? Oh, Maddie. Good job, good job. All right. Oh my gosh, you're finding them all.
Hey, Remy.
Do you see it? Do you see it?
I see one. I see
Good
one.
job.
I see one.
All right, keep coming this way. Come on.
Go, Maddie, go, Maddie, go, Maddie. You have enough glitter eggs?
Keep coming. Maddie, I would look along that fence if I were you. Do you see it? Good job. All right, keep it coming.
2 are on the same.
Open them all up, girlfriend.
Do you know which street? Because I'm
Ooh, only Sammy would
We
get
did
these
a,
kind of.
we did
All right.
4,000 properties.
You want to plop them in here?
Yep, put them all in your basket,
Put 'em in
baby.
your basket, baby girl. All right, so let's go. Then you have to hide all these for Maddie.
Jefford Avenue. The problem is, I grew up in
They
Jefford.
have a chocolate.
You're in
attack.
Westville Grove, which is part
More
of Deptford.
Hershey. Are you
Westville,
serious?
Yeah.
but
How
it's
many
also,
Hershey's can she give
you
you?
would still be living in Deptford with a Westville zip code.
Oh,
Great.
but-
I went
More
to
money?
Cat Pat's the other night.
Maddie, you have more money
Bought a
than
roll of
me.
ring.
I didn't see him. He just
There's a
said the
Deptford
address.
Avenue there There's a
Maddie, how much money do you have?
Stop it right now. Stop opening it.
oh,
Ryan.
do you know where that cement place is in
And
Deptford?
I think that purple one
Not
has
ready
something.
quick, but the other one back by the roller skating.
No, I think it might be
There's
empty.
two houses
empty?
right there
Okay.
that have been
Maddie,
boarded up
look
for
at your
15
candy
years.
and your money.
Look at your money.
Look at all that.
Maddie, let's have
Oh,
all the
good.
money.
Yeah. Oh, please
Okay,
do.
I'm just saying how much. $1, right?
That doesn't matter.
Keep
That-
adding.
we
$2.
coached
Okay, keep going.
His father was a coach.
Stop it. $3.
Pheasant was his last name.
Oh, Dwayne Pheasant. I went to school with Dwayne.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a show